Hi, my students. I'm Mr. Hussein Masri. Today, we will study algebra for first secondary. Our lesson is solving system of equation using Cramer's rule. First, solving a system of linear equation in two variables. If we have system of linear equations into two variables as follows: ax plus by equals m and cx plus dy equals n. To solve this equation using determinants, we must find the value of three determinants. First determinant is called the determinant of coefficients, which is denoted by delta. We find the value of delta, which is called what? Excellent, determinant of coefficients a, b, and c, d. And we have a very important condition: delta not equal 0. The second determinant is delta x, which is determinant of x, or x determinant. We will change the column which contains the coefficients of x by the two constants m and n. And third determinant is determinant of y, or y determinant. We will change the coefficients of y by the two constants m and n. Then at least we will calculate the value of x by dividing delta x by delta and y by dividing delta y by delta, and now we got the solution set. Let's solve the example. Solve the system of the following equation using Cramer's rule. First equation is 6x minus 5y equals negative 23 and 3x plus 3y equals 16. Now we will find delta. 6, negative 5, 3, 3, multiply, cross multiplication. So 6 times 3 minus 3 times negative 5, we will get 33. Delta x equals, we changed the two coefficients of x by the two constants which are in this equation, negative 23 and 16. And calculate it, we will get 11. At least we find delta y, coefficients of we change the coefficients of y by the two constants and calculate it, we will get 165. At least find the value of x by dividing delta x by delta. 11 over 33 equals 1/3, and y equals delta y divided delta, we get 5. So solution set equals 1/3 and 5. Let's go to another example. Solve the system of the following equation using Cramer's rule. X minus 3y equals negative 4 and 2x plus y equals 2. Now delta equals 1, negative 3, 2, 1, and we will get 7 not equal 0. So we will complete solution. Delta x equals negative 4, negative 3, 2, 1, and calculate it, we will get 2. Delta y equals 1, negative 4, 2, 2, then calculate it, we will get 10. So x equals delta x divided delta equals 2 over 7, and y equals delta y over delta, which equals 10 over 7. So solution set equals 2 over 7 and 10 over 7. Second case, solving system of linear equation in 3 variables. If we have system of linear equation in 3 variables as follows. Now we have 3 variables, so we will find the value of 4 determinants, which are delta, determinant of the coefficients, and delta x, determinant of the variable x, delta y, and delta z. Then find the value of x, y, and z. Example. Solve the system of the following linear equation using Cramer's rule. Negative x plus 3y plus z equals 0, 3x minus 2y minus z equal 1, and x plus y plus 2z equals 0. Solution. Delta equals, we form the coefficients of the 3 variables and calculated by as we learned before, so delta equals negative 13. And delta x equals 0, 3, 1, 1, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Using the first column, we will find the value of x, delta x equals negative 5. Delta y equals negative 1, 0, 1, 3, 1, negative 2, 1, 0. Using the second column, find the value of delta y, we will get negative 3. And delta z equals negative 1, 3, 0, 3, negative 2, 1, 1, 1, 0. Using the third column, find the value of delta z, we will get 4. And by dividing x, y, z, x equals delta x over delta, which is 5 over 13, y equals delta y over delta, which equals 3 over 13, and z equals delta z over delta, which is 4 over negative 13. And finally, solution set equals 5 over 13, 3 and over 13, and negative 4 over 13. This is the end of our lesson today. Thank you, and I wish you enjoy.